in Mali. We located at the beachfront of a hotel known for the Maldivian hospitality, and we create a seamless guest experience to all our guests. At Summer Beach, we really rely on the Ezee PMS software, which helps for us a channel manager and a booking engine, and it's like a friendly user to use the software. We have a rooftop restaurant which is called Summer Cloud, and it's located on the beachfront view. And we use Ezee Optimus, which is like interface with the PMS, and it's like make it easier for guest folios. It is directly transferred to the guest room accounts. Functionality of the software is like interface with our reports, which is really as per the Malay government, which helps generate the reports on a daily basis, and it's monthly, easy to accumulate our revenue according to the tax structures. I would like to thank the Ezee software. They really had a great support to our operations, and I would appreciate their software and programming. It's been more comfortable zone for our Summer Beach Maldives operations, and we are maintaining the high standards of guest service, exceptional service standards. Thank you.